Hello my dears, today our lesson is about addition to 99. Let's know more about it. Let's remember together how can we add one digit number. If we have here group of red apples 1, 2 plus another group of apples 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 3 equals what? How many apples here? 5 apples. Next example, we have here groups of frogs. If we count first group here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have here 11 frogs. Plus second group 1, 2, 3. So 11 plus 3 equals what? I will put 11 in my mind, 3 on my fingers and count after 11. So after 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have here 14 frogs. Now let's know how can we add two-digit numbers. First step, we add the ones together. If we have here 31 plus 42, so in ones place we have 1 plus 2. If we represent it by stars, so I have in ones place 1 star plus 2 stars. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Second step, we add the tens together. So here in tens place we have 3 plus 4. If we represent it by hearts, so we have here 3 hearts plus 4 hearts. I put 4 in my mind, 3 on my fingers, and I count after 4. So after 4, 5, 6, 7. So the sum is 73. Let's practice more. If we have here 13 plus 35, so what should I do? First step, add the ones together. In ones place we have here 3 plus 5 equals what? I put 5 in my mind, 3 on my fingers, and I count after 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Then second step, add the tens together. In tens place we have 1 plus 3 equals what? 4. So the sum is 48. Now, how's our place value? We said before that we represent ones by small square and tens by stack. Now we have here 53 plus 32. As we said before, we start addition from ones place. In ones place here we have 3 plus 2. Let's represent here ones by small squares. So I have here 3 squares plus 2 squares equals what? Equals 5. Then in tens place we have here 5 plus 3. Let's represent the tens by sticks. So I have here 5 sticks plus 3 sticks. So equals what? 5 in my mind, 3 on my fingers, and count after 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So the sum is 85. Let's add. We have here 44 plus 5. We start addition from ones place. In ones place we have here 4 plus 5. By using small squares, so I have here 4 squares plus 5 squares equals what? 5 in my mind, 4 on my fingers, and I count after 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9. In tens place, we have only here 4. By using sticks, we have 4 sticks only. So the sum is 49. Let's add. We have 54 plus 14. Let's put the places ones, tens, ones, tens. Don't forget we start addition from ones place first. So we have in ones place 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then we add the tens together. In tens place we have 5 plus 1 equals 6. So the sum is 68. Let's remember together. When you add, you put the biggest number in your mind and the smallest number on your fingers, and then count. Find the sum. We have here 29 plus 5. So the biggest number is 29 and the smallest number is 5. So let's count after 29. After 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So the sum is 34. 18 plus 6. So the biggest number is 18 and the smallest number is 6. So let's count after 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Story problem. How we solve the story problem in addition? We have 3 steps. Number 1, we look at the sign if the sign is plus or minus. Number 2, circle the numbers. Number 3, underline the keywords. The keywords are increase, together, more, plus, total, add, sum, and. Okay, let's complete that story problem. One day, Ahmed went with his sister to the shop to buy a ball and a car. The price of ball is 14 pounds and the car is 23 pounds. The total of them is what? He asked about the total. So first we make addition. Okay, number 2, circle the numbers. Number 3, underline the keyword. So the keyword here is what? Total. So he want to get the price of them together. So we make add 14 plus 23. We put the places ones, tens, ones, tens. Ones with ones, tens with tens. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the sum is 37 pounds. Now let's answer our math booklet page number 49. In first one here we have 12 plus 43. We put the places ones, tens. As we said before, ones with ones, tens with tens. And we start addition from ones place. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then tens place 1 plus 4 equals 5. So the sum is 55. 19 plus 10. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the sum is 29. 48 plus 31. Ones with ones, 8 plus 1 equals, count after 8, 9. Then tens with tens, 4 plus 3 equals, count after 4, 5, 6, 7. So the sum is 79. Here 60 plus 33, ones with ones, tens with tens. Ones with ones, 0 plus 3 equals 3. 6 plus 3 equals, count after 6, 7, 8, 9. So the sum is 93. 82 plus 12. Ones with ones. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 8 plus 1 equals 9. So the sum is 94. The last one here. 34 plus 44. Ones with ones. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So the sum is 78. Page 50. Find the sum. We have here 14 plus 32. So ones with ones, tens with tens. 4 plus 2 equals, count after 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 3 equals 4. So the sum is 46. 34 plus 11. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 4 plus 1 equals, count after 4, 5. 3 plus 1 after 3, 4. So the sum is 45. 50 plus 26. Ones with ones, tens with tens. So 0 plus 6 equals 6. 5 plus 2, count after 5, 6, 7. So the sum is 76. Here 12 plus 12. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the sum is 24. And now you can complete the page as HW. Page 51. Find the sum. In first one here we have 34 plus 24. As we did before, ones with ones, tens with tens. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So the sum is 58. 36 plus 40. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So the sum is 76. 59 plus 20. So 9 plus 0 equals 9. 5 plus 2. I put 5 in my mind, 2 on my fingers, and count after 5, 6, 7. So the sum is 79. 34 plus 43. Ones with ones. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then 3 plus 4 equals 7. So the sum is 77. Now you can complete the last two lines as homework. Now page number 52. Find the result. We have here 1 plus 28. As we said before, the biggest number is 28. The smallest number is 1. So I will put 28 in my mind, 1 on my fingers, and count after 28, 29. 4 plus 33. I put 33 in my mind, 4 on my fingers, and count after 33. 34, 35, 36, 37. 2 plus 21, 21 in my mind, 2 on my fingers, after 21, 22, 23. 1 plus 58, 58 in my mind, 1 on my fingers, after 58, 59. 6 plus 12, 12 in my mind, 6 on my fingers, after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the sum is 18. 4 plus 40, 40 in my mind, after 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 3 plus 72, 72 in my mind, 3 on my fingers, after 72, 73, 74, 75. 3 plus 16, 16 in my mind, 3 on my fingers, after 16, 17, 18, 19. 67 in my mind, 1 on my fingers, so after 67, 68. Here 3 plus 45, so I put 45 in my mind, 3 on my fingers, so after 45, 46, 47, 48. the last line here, you can do it as HW. Page 53, find the sum. If we look here, in first one we have 85 plus 4. So I will put 85 in my mind, 4 on my fingers, and let's count after 85. After 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So the sum is 89. Here we have 20 plus 9. I will put 20 in my mind, 9 on my fingers, and let's count after 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So the sum is 29. 37 plus 2. I will put 37 in my mind, 2 on my fingers, and let's count after 37. 30. 8, 39. So the sum is 39. 73 plus 6. I will put 73 in my mind, 6 on my fingers, and let's count after 73. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 28 plus 6. I will put 28 in my mind, 6 on my fingers, and let's count after 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 14 plus 5. I will put 14 in my mind, 5 on my fingers, and let's count after 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And now you can complete that page as HW. Okay, page 54, find the result. We have here 23 plus 42. As we did before, ones with ones, tens with tens. So we have here 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So the sum is 65. 32 plus 10. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So the sum is 42. 34 plus 12. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So the sum is 46. Here we have 12 plus 12. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the sum is 24. 25 plus 20. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So the sum is 45. 16 plus 12. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 6 plus 2. I will put 6 in my mind, 2 on my fingers, and let's count after 6. 7, 8. Okay, now 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the sum is 28. And now you can complete that page as HW. Page 55. Find the sum. In first one here we have 35 plus 21. As we did before, ones with ones, tens with tens. In ones place we have 5 plus 1 equals 6. In tens place we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. So the sum is 56. 20 plus 50. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 5 equals 7. So the sum is 70. 11 plus 13. Ones with ones. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the sum is 24. 21 plus 40. Ones with ones. Tens with tens. So 1 plus 0 equals 1. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So the sum is 61. 62 plus 13. Ones with ones. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the sum is 75. 71 plus 10. Ones with ones. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 7 plus 1 equals 8. So the sum is 81. 40 plus 38. Ones with ones. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So the sum is 78. 29 plus 70. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals, I will put 7 in my mind, 2 on my fingers. After 7, 8, 9. So the sum is 99. You can do the last line as HW. Now, page number 56, find the sum. In first one here we have 8 plus 12. I will put the biggest number 12 in my mind, 8 on my fingers, and count after 12. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I will choose 20. 5 plus 13. I will put the biggest number 13 in my mind, 5 on my fingers, and count after 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I will choose 18. 11 plus 5. I will put 11 in my mind, 5 on my fingers, and let's count after 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I will choose 16. 4 plus 4, it's so easy, equals 8. And now you can complete that page as HW. Page 57, let's add together. In letter A we have 45 plus 22. As we did before, ones with ones, tens with tens. So in ones place we have 5 plus 2 equals 7. In tens place we have 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the sum is 67. Here 23 plus 13. So ones with ones. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the sum is 36. In letter P we have 60. 3 plus 14. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So sum is 77. 28 plus 21. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So the sum is 49. In letter C we have 56 plus 13. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 6 plus 3 equals 9. And 5 plus 1 equals 6. So the sum is 69. We have here 56 plus 12. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So the sum equals 68. In letter D we have 12 plus 13. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the sum is 25. Here 72 plus 4. I will put 72 in my mind, 4 on my fingers, and let's count after 72. 73, 74, 75, 76. In letter E we have here 71 plus 7. I will put 71 in my mind, 7 on my fingers, and let's count after 71. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. So the sum is 78. 61 plus 5. I will put 61 in my mind, 5 on my fingers, and let's count after 61. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. And you can complete that page as HW. page 58. Word problems. Let's remember the keywords of addition: sum, more, plus, in all, total, together. Okay, let's read first problem here. Fatma has 32 dogs and 56 cats. How many pets does she have in total? So we have steps. Number 1, circle numbers. Number 2, search about the keywords. So the keywords here, what? We have total. So we will make addition. 32 plus 56. Ones with ones, tens with tens. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. So the sum equals 88. Okay, second one here. There are 12 girls and 74 boys at the playground. How many children are at the playground? First thing, circle numbers. We have here 12 girls and 74 boys. Let's make addition. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 1 plus 7 equals 8. So the sum will be 86. Page 59. In letter C, we have a new word problem. Let's read. Dad cooked 25 large pizzas, then he cooked 14 small pizzas. What is the sum of pizzas? So, first thing we do, circle numbers. Number 2, search the keywords of addition. We have here sum. Underline the keyword sum. So, let's add 25 plus 14. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the sum is 39. In letter D, a monkey eats 42 bananas for breakfast. The monkey eats 25 more bananas for lunch. How many bananas does the monkey eat in all? So, circle the numbers. Search about the keywords of addition. We have here in all, underline it. So, let's add 42 plus 25. Ones with ones, tens with tens. So, 2 plus 5 equals 7. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the sum is 67. Page number 60, addition activity. Okay, we have here in the table 6 plus 6 equals 12. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 15 plus 10 equals 25. So you can color these numbers by red color. In yellow we have 10 plus 3 equals, I will put 10 in my mind, 3 on my fingers, and let's count after 10, 11, 12, 13. 11 plus 6 equals 17, 13 plus 7 equals 20, 18 plus 9 equals 27. You can color these numbers by yellow color. Now you can complete that activity by yourself. Thank you, my dears.